First video that I shot was a music video that I did with a buddy of mine in Toronto. Had to rent an 8mm camera and then took the footage to a professional broadcasting house, and they transferred the 8mm film to 3/4 inch, and spent about $400 to edit this crappy video. But anyways, the video still exists, and it was a good learning experience, and I kind of got the bug for doing video. Now over the years I've got tons and tons of footage, and it's been a labor of love trying to preserve the footage, and because stuff does get lost over the years. The internet has been really great for digitizing some of the material, because a lot of the sites will allow you to, you can upload the material, and basically it'll compress your material into smaller file sizes, and the quality is still pretty good. Initial digitization will look pretty rough. You put your analog video through your old Pentium computer, and it all looked pretty low grade, but it was a good start. One thing I have learned that with the a variety of spots to put your video online is that you got to put your eggs in many baskets. A lot of sites, video sites in particular, they tend to disappear, but there's been a few that have stood the test of time and have been great for preserving what I'm doing, and hopefully when I'm gone somebody will watch my movies and hopefully get some enjoyment out of what I found enjoyable. Anyways, cheers from Canada.